Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best 27.5 mountain bike tires is probably one of the most crucial components that can dramatically affect your ride, influencing everything from grip and traction to rolling resistance and overall comfort on a trail, making the right choice essential for unlocking your bike's full potential and ensuring a thrilling, confident experience whether you're tackling technical descents or climbing challenging ascents. Number 5. WTB Trail Boss Mountain Bike Tire. Introducing the WTB Trail Boss, the perfect tire for any mountain biking adventure. It strikes a balance between smooth rolling and aggressive off-road performance. Experience exceptional cornering traction and braking bite with this versatile tire. It also offers reduced rolling resistance for a smooth ride. Designed to last, its tightly spaced knobs handle heavy braking, while reinforced sidewalls protect against slashes. Enjoy enduring performance on every ride. Featuring directional siping on center and intermediate knobs, it enhances flexibility and biting edges for acceleration and braking. Outer knobs are also siped for superior cornering grip. While excellent as a rear tire, it performs admirably as a front tire too. Use them as a pair for predictable handling in all conditions. This tire is your go-to choice for cross-country, trail, and all-mountain riding. Conquer any terrain with confidence. What we like. This tire offers aggressive tread for superior grip. Its directional siping enhances traction and braking in all scenarios. If you are looking for a versatile tire that performs well in various conditions, this is a great choice. What people say. The tires have excellent grip on various terrains, making them versatile for different trail conditions. Durable construction ensures longevity, even with frequent use on rough trails. The tread pattern provides great traction, especially during climbs and descents. Number 4. Maxxis Aggressor Rear Mountain Bike Tire. Meet the Maxxis Aggressor, engineered for aggressive riding on challenging, packed trails. It excels as a rear tire, perfectly complementing your favorite front tire choices. Featuring a dual compound design, this tire offers an ideal blend of low rolling resistance and exceptional grip. You get the best of both worlds for a superior ride. With EXO protection on the sidewalls, it's built to resist cuts and abrasions. This makes it a robust choice for various riding conditions, from gravel to trail. This tire is E25 rated, meaning it's suitable for light e-bikes. It provides reliable performance with assistance up to 16.1 miles per hour. Ride with confidence knowing your purchase is backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. We stand behind the quality of our products. What we like. This tire is designed for high-speed, hard-packed trails with a fast-rolling center and grippy cornering knobs. Its dual compound balances rolling resistance and grip. If you ride aggressive trails and want a reliable rear tire that pairs well with a more aggressive front, consider this option. What people say. The tires have excellent grip on various terrains, making them reliable for both climbing and descending. The tubeless-ready design simplifies setup and reduces the risk of pinch flats, offering a smoother ride. Durable construction ensures longevity, even under demanding trail conditions. Number 3. Fincci Encamp 27.5 Mountain Bike Tire. Introducing the Fincci Encamp, a versatile 27.5-inch mountain bike tire designed for adventure. Experience enhanced performance on any terrain. With its foldable design and 57 to 584 ETRTO size, it's perfect for 27.5-inch wheels. Enjoy a comfortable and fast ride, no matter where you go. Crafted with high-quality nylon and rubber, it features 1mm nylon anti-puncture protection for added durability. Ride with confidence knowing it's built to last. The fast-rolling tread offers excellent traction and grip on various surfaces, from trails to pavement. Conquer any path with ease. Its Kevlar bead makes it foldable, offering convenient storage and transport. Get ready for your next ride in a snap. Choose Fincci for quality and reliability. We offer full after-sales support and manufacturer warranty, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This tire features a fast-rolling, high-traction tread for a comfortable ride with good grip on various surfaces. It also includes 1mm nylon anti-puncture protection for durability. If you need a reliable and puncture-resistant tire for mixed terrain riding, including tarmac and light trails, this is a solid pick. What people say. The tire has excellent grip on various terrains, providing confidence on climbs and descents. Durable construction ensures longevity, even with aggressive riding and frequent trail use. The tire's tread pattern effectively sheds mud and debris, maintaining traction in wet conditions. Number 2. Corki Cycles 27.5 Mountain Bike Inner Tube 2-Pack. Ensure a perfect fit for your 27.5-inch bike with our specially designed inner tubes. They accommodate a wide range of tire widths, from 1.95 to 2.4 inches, ensuring compatibility with your mountain bike. Crafted from sustainable butyl rubber, these tubes are built to last. Not only do they reduce environmental impact, but they also offer enhanced durability and superior puncture resistance for your rides. Experience maximum performance on your rides. These tubes are optimized for racing, featuring low rolling resistance to help you go further and faster. Designed for most mountain bikes, these inner tubes provide a secure and snug fit. Enjoy a consistently smooth and reliable ride every time you hit the trails. Equipped with a standard 48mm Presta valve, these tubes offer a reliable and easy-to-use inflation solution for your cycling needs. Buy with confidence knowing our dedicated support team is here to help. We're ready to promptly assist with any questions or concerns about your new inner tubes. What we like. This inner tube is made from durable butyl rubber, offering excellent puncture resistance and low rolling resistance for maximum performance. It's designed for a secure and snug fit on 27.5-inch mountain bike tires. If you're looking for a reliable and performance-oriented inner tube that won't let you down, this is a great option. What people say. The tire has excellent grip on loose terrain, making climbs much easier. The tubeless setup was straightforward and held air perfectly. Durable construction, I've hit rocks and roots without any punctures. Number 1. Schwinn 27.5 Replacement Bike Tire. Tackle dirt roads and challenging trails with confidence. This tire's aggressive tread pattern is built for adventure. Experience a smooth journey with enhanced traction. Its 2.10-inch width provides the grip you need on any surface. Designed specifically for bikes with 27.5-inch wheels. It's the ideal replacement for your mountain bike. Get back on the trail quickly. Installation is simple and can be done without tools, though a tire lever can help. This durable tire is engineered for the demands of mountain biking. Enjoy reliable performance ride after ride. What we like. This tire boasts an aggressive tread pattern designed for dirt roads and tough trails, offering extra traction and grip. Its 2.10-inch width ensures a smooth ride. If you ride on challenging terrain and need a durable tire that can handle rough conditions, this replacement tire is a good fit. What people say. The tire has excellent grip on various terrains, making it suitable for both dry and wet conditions. Its durable construction ensures a long lifespan, even with frequent use on challenging trails. The tire's tread pattern provides superior traction and stability, enhancing control during descents and climbs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.